Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a weekly market update for the week of March 1st, 2021. Last week, the Fed chairman in front of the Congress, he said that he will continue to support the market to recover, and he did not think that we are in the inflation yet. The commodity it overtook the international equity at the energy space sector led by crude oil. Price is going up due to the cold weather in the mid and the southwest of USA. For last week, 8 out of 10 holding in SPY, which is a proxy for SP 500, finished the week in red. Look like half of them have found the support. Those stocks are like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan, Google, and Alphabet, Johnson Johnson, and Visa. So we will see it, and we need more price action on Monday to confirm for then reversal. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction to make some extra daily income and analyze swing trade stock price direction so that we can stay in the trade longer and make a bigger profit potential. I will continue to update during the middle of the week, so make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new update. As you know, trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Trading involves a significant of the understanding of the market. Successful traders, they require much more than a good strategy. It requires discipline, patience, daily guidance, and a lot of experience from the practice. People losing money because they are listening to the news on or their friend on to get some tip. If you see that the last quarter earning report, many stocks, they all report good earnings, but why those stocks are going down? Because the price, they reach to the technical psychology level that the institution, they will take the profit. That's why as stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can buy with the high probability of winning and a low risk trade. You need to learn how to read and analyze the chart before you start buying any stock so that you can manage your own stock portfolio. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and so you can ask and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and can manage your own stock portfolio. As you know that everyone is busy working, I don't focus too much on the fundamental to waste your time. Like you said, a lot of people are looking for PE ratio and this and that. Because if you're looking for a good strong stock, okay, and then you'll be able to analyze anything on the price chart, they will tell you everything. That's why I like to jump into the technical analysis and analyze the chart so that we can go quickly. Every week I will look at which sector is doing well and pick some strong stock in that sector so I can analyze on the chart so that you can see and how they are doing during the week. Let's see, first of all, let's take a look on the major index so that we can see how they are doing compared to last week. So first of all, let's take a look on the Dow. As you can see here, look at last year, the Dow on this day, they already dropped below 50-day moving average. They are locked below 200-day moving average. But this year, they all sit down at the 50-day moving average. So technically, they still hold up very tight here. So if they can hold up here and rebound next week, and then definitely we still have a chance to put it back up. And you can see that the Russell 2000 last year at the same time, they already dropped below to the 100-day moving average. It's very weak. But this year, they still above the 50-day moving average. Technically, they are still pretty strong to hold up and to up this level here. And you can see that the QQQ, which is technology stock, they also drop below 50 days, so they are kind of weak compared to the other sector, but they also found the support at this level here. Okay, so let's see, they'll be able to hold up and move it to the upside for the next week. And if you look at the oil, the crude oil, they also very strong for since November until now, very strong, but they hit to the resistance here, and then due to the weather and then the oil it price going up, now maybe the thing getting better, and then oil need to pull back before they can resume the uptrend. And let me see here, and then the gold it still continue to go to the downside. As you can see here, they have a hard time to break through the resistance. They continue to push it down to the downside, and the Bitcoin it still try to finish the correction here after they run up here. So they ran out of gas. So right now they try to pull back to looking for a support before they can find a way to put it up again. And this week, last week I showed you a lot of stock that on the move when the market recovery. So this week I will still focus some of the stock to buy when people they go to hit the road again, especially the summer coming up. And a lot of people they have kids, they stay home for a long time, so maybe the time for them to get out with the help of the vaccine here. So first of all, before they do anything, they need to book some tickets. So this is the booking holding. Technically, it's still very strong. They pull back for a last couple of days, and then they found a support and push it back up again. And another one is like Trip. This one is Trip Advisor. So maybe they stay home for a while. They don't know where to go, so they need the advice from the trip.com here. So that's another one, a potential. And maybe they have to get a recommendation to get the American Airlines to fly somewhere. So this one is still doing okay. And so the question is, which destination they can bring their family, their kids, for summer here. So let's take a look on the cheap, affordable cruise ship. That's a Carnival. They push it back up and then they slam it back down last couple of days, but they still bouncing back up. So technically it's still doing well. Where they should go, maybe take them to Disneyland, because they stay home for so long. So Disneyland is a good destination for them to go, or Six Flags, entertainment, that's another place. They have been run up, they pull back up, and then they found a support. If they continue to hold the support, they can push it back up. And some people they book a timeshare. This one is still doing okay. Or maybe they go by themselves and go to casino. Maybe they go to a Caesar Palace Entertainment. So this one here is continue to put to the upside. And some place they go, they may need to rent a car. So this one is maybe a potential the Avis budget route. So that's for car rental. So this one is still doing well. And how they're going to pay it? Maybe this time they have to pay by MasterCard so they can earn some more points. So next time they can take a first class trip, overseas for the long trip. And we have been seeing a lot of growth stock sell up recently. So we have to repair which one is the one to buy. So a lot of stock that you can see that very potential, like Microsoft. They run up after good earning, they pull back down. So now they sit right into the support if they can hold up. And then next week the market turn around, they'll be able to find a way to put it back up. Another one is Amazon. It's still a sideways correction here, but they found a support here. So if they can hold up, that's a potential reversal also. Facebook, they have some trouble lately, but again, this is a strong level of support that they can hold up, and then they can file rebound. On Friday they try to push it back up, they couldn't punch through the seller to put them down, but let's see, on Monday they'll be able to turn around. And Micron, this one here is still very strong. This one here is still high demand for the computer chip. And EWLO, that's another one that they shoot it back up and then they slam it back down. So they sit in right to the support. In the past they have been support in the this movement average here, so they still continue. Look like they try to hold up very strong there. And another one is the ETSY. So this one they surprise earning, they slam it down, ran to the support, and then earning come back good, and then again more subscriber. This one it continue to put to the upside, and a lot of stock it's smaller compared to Facebook, but they are Pinterest. This stock is doing very well. Okay, this is strong growth stock for that whole year here. So they put it back down, they find support, they put it back up, they slam it down, but they try to find a way to put it up again. And ABBV, that's another strong one. They come down and then they hold up here. Okay, they do hang very strong on the upside. If we see good bullish candle come up next week, that's the potential of pushing back up. CHGG, okay, that's another one that the education, student education. The platform that have been performed very well, so they push back up and then they slam it down. Now they stay in the line here due to be resistant. Then they test couple times, it now become a strong support. As long as they can stay there, they have a potential to put it higher. And another good stock here that gives you a good discount here, that's a Tesla. They hit it to 800, 900 level, and now they come back down to $600 here. So that they give you a big chunk of discount here. So if they can hold up somewhere and then revert, that's a potential for you to like Tesla, and then it keep going up. You guys couldn't buy it. Now maybe the time that they will give you another chance to test it out. Okay, so the just a few stocks that I highlight here for you here. In our live trading room, every day we analyze a lot of more stock in real time with our members so that they can follow along and know when to get in and when to get out to take the profit. If you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Wall Street Premium Watchlist, where every week I will handpick about 4 or 5 stocks not in this list here, and then we will analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target, so that you can follow along and then you can see where they're heading to. I hope that you will enjoy my analysis today. So please help me to expand my YouTube channel by clicking the thumb up, like button below. Thank you for watching. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.